What's going on, guys? Justin here from Dusk Auto Supply, and today we're going to be washing the Subaru. We got Parker here, who's also going to be washing his Civic, but we got the Subaru all dirty, his Civic's all dirty.
Yes,
so we're going to go down to the car wash, that's a little local one, and give her a good wash. We'll see how it goes.
I let this bad boy warm up. You know, at least it's not a check engine light, you know? You guys always wonder why my car's dirty. It's because I live on a damn dirt road, dude. So you guys are probably asking why I don't just wash my car at home. Well, I live in Minnesota, guys. It's cold. So we just had to get these over at the store. We're gonna take the little handles off and use them as little sponges, but I totally forgot to bring something to actually like wipe down the car, so that was great. I think it's like $4. I don't know for how long though, to be honest with you, but we're gonna find out.